Good morning, student. Today start chapter number 1, computer a machine. Today start chapter number 1, computer a machine. Okay, question 1. Question. Fill in the blank. Fill in the blank. Point number 1. Key used to give space. Key used to give space. Space bar key na. Space bar key give space. Your word. Okay. Key used to give space bar key. And point number 2, function key. Function key are on keyboard. Function key F1 से F12, तो total number of key 12. Function key are on keyboard 12. F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, 10, 11 and 12 function key. Okay. Next, 3 number key are on the keyboard. Number key on the keyboard 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. 0 to 9. Okay. So total number of key 10. So number key are on keyboard 10. Alphabet key are the one keyboard 26. Alphabet key means A to Z. A to Z we are alphabet key and total number of key 26. Alphabet key are 26. And point number combination key is shift key. Combination key is shift key. Okay. एक साथ यूज करते हैं उसको कॉम्बिनेशन की कहते हैं. ठीक है, क्लियर. शिफ्ट के साथ ए, शिफ्ट बी. ओके, शिफ्ट एट द रेट. क्लियर. Okay, next question and answer. What is a byte? What is a byte? A group of 8 bit is called a byte. Okay, what is a byte? A group of a 8 bit is called a byte. Next question 2. What are input device? What are input device? Example, the parts of computer which is used to giving instruction to the computer are input device. Example, keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, etc. Okay, the parts of computer which is used to give an instruction to the computer or are input device. Okay, example, your keyboard, mouse, joystick and scanner and etc. Then what is output device? What is output device? Some of the computer parts through which we display some of the computer parts through which we display the result of processing. Result of processing. Example, monitor, printer, etc. Okay, monitor, printer, etc. Okay. Next, what is primary memory? What is primary memory? Instruction and data are stored temporarily. Okay, instruction and data, instruction and data permanently. The memory is called primary memory. Example, RAM and ROM. Okay, the memory is called primary memory. Example, RAM and ROM. Okay, then question number 5. What is a secondary memory? Example, so instruction and data are stored permanently. Instruction and data are stored permanently in the memory is called secondary memory. Instruction and data are stored permanently in the memory is called secondary memory. Example, your hard disk, pen drive, etc. Okay. Next, what are output device? Some of the computer parts through which we display the result of processing. Example, monitor, printer and speaker. Then question number 7. Name 3 software. Name 3 are number 1, Tux Paint, OpenOffice as D Freezer. Tux Paint, OpenOffice and Tux Paint your drawing software. OpenOffice means Word, Excel and PowerPoint, and D Freezer means your computer freeze your program. Okay, this 3 software. Okay, next, name of the 5 hardware: motherboards, RAM, graphics card and CPU, power supply, your hardware parts. Okay, hardware parts. Clear? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Good morning, student. Start chapter number 1. Chapter number 1, computer a machine. Okay, one word answer. Note down your one word answer. Who is known as the father of computer? Who is known as the father of computer? The answer is Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage as the father of computer. Right? Question number 1. Who is known as the father of computer? To Charles Babbage. Okay. Charles Babbage. Your answer. And name of the first electronic computer. Name the first electronic computer. So answer is ENIAC. 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 Name of the first electronic computer. ENIAC. ENIAC. Okay. And which device known as pointing device? Which device is known as pointing device? The mouse. Okay. Mouse known as the pointing device. Okay, mouse. Clear? And next, write the full form. Write the full form. CPU. CPU full form here, Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit. CPU full form is. And PD means pen drive. Pen drive. Okay, next your ALU. ALU means Arithmetic Logical Unit. Arithmetic Logical Unit. Arithmetical spelling is ARITH METIC. Arithmetic. Okay, logical unit. And next we are CD. CD means your compact disc. Compact disc. CD full form is compact disc. And next MU. MU means memory unit. MU means memory unit. And CU means your control unit. Okay, control unit. Okay, thank you. Good morning, student. Today start line tool. Okay, today start line tool. This tool allow you to draw strength line using the various shapes and color. Selector offer many options for line tool which can be used after selecting this tool. Okay, line tool. These tools allow us to draw strength line using various brushes and colors. Various brushes and color. Okay, but then selector offers the many options for line tool which can be used after selecting these tools. Okay, to start number 1, first click on the line tool from the toolbar. Clear? Click on the line toolbar from the toolbar. Then second step here, select the desired brushes from the selector. Okay, step 2, select the desired brushes from selector. And step number 3, choose any color from the color palette. Okay, choose any color from color palette. And point number 4, put the cursor on the drawing canvas. Put the cursor on drawing canvas. Press the left mouse button. Okay, press the left mouse button and drag the mouse and draw the desired drawing. Okay, clear? Mouse and draw the desired drawing. Clear? Number 1, click on the line tool from toolbar. Second number, select the desired brush from selector. And point number 3, step number 3, okay, choose any color for color palette. And fourth, put the cursor on drawing canvas, press the left mouse button and drag the mouse and draw the desired drawing. Okay, clear? Step to use line toolbar. Start.
Today's lesson is on the line tool in Tux Paint. So if you click on the line tool, you're going to see the exact same color array at the bottom, and you're going to see that you have brushes again, just like when you use the paint tool. So if you use the very thinnest line, this time when you use it, you click and drag, and no matter what direction you click and drag, you will always get a straight line, and that will work with the shaped brushes as well. So if I click and drag a straight line, it's always going to be straight, no matter what the tool. Even if you go all the way down to the bottom and choose the ivy, again, click and drag, you get a straight line every time.
Okay, so complete your line tool. And next tool, your Next tool, erase tool. Okay, next tool, your erase tool. This tool can be used from erase anything. Okay, anything. ठीक है, anything spelling और आ जाएगा, ठीक है, और नहीं आएगा, anything on the drawing canvas whenever it is clicked to gets activated. After selection, desired size and shape or erase from the selector eraser, it can be dragged on the picture and erase the completely picture of part of it. Clear? Erase everything. Erase tools. So step 2, use erase tool. And step 1, click the erase tool from the toolbar, and step 2, select the size and shapes of the erase from the selector eraser. Clear? Step 1, click the erase tools from the toolbar, and step 2, select the size and shapes for the erase from selector erase, and step 3, put the cursor on the drawing canvas, press the left mouse button and drag the mouse to erase the required drawing or part of it. Clear? And next, this is your eraser tool. This is your eraser tools. Okay, eraser tools. Yes.
Hi, it's Mrs. T again, and today we're going to learn about how to use the Tux Paint eraser tool. And I thought I'd leave my name here from the text tool to give you something to erase. So first step is click the eraser tool, and you'll see that you don't have a wide variety, but there are two shapes. You have a square eraser and a circular or round eraser, and they come in different sizes. So for example, if you've only made a small mistake and you have a pretty nice picture and you don't want to erase the whole thing, you might want just a small eraser to erase just the small mistake, or maybe I might want to erase just the period. If, however, you have totally messed it up and you want to start all over again, you can click on the large eraser, and you see how large it is, and you simply click and drag, and you now have a blank canvas. Now, the other thing that's pretty cool about the erasers is if we go back to paint and just really quickly, let's say that I've colored in a whole page black, and now I can go back and I can get the eraser tool, and let's say I get the very, very small circle. Now what I can do is I can use it like an eraser, but it comes across like a writing tool. So that is how you can use the eraser in Tux Paint.
Good morning, student. Today start text tool. Okay, text tool. Okay, text tool. Text tool is a used to type or write a statement or to given a heading to a sequence. Clear? Text tool is used to type and write a statement. Okay, text pen, text में write करेंगे. Okay, writing text pen A B C. Okay, to start.
Hi, it's Mrs. T again, and this is a lesson in how to use the text tool in Tux Paint. So you click on the text tool, and you'll see that you have a variety of different fonts, and you have these two arrows. These are your size buttons for making your font larger or smaller. So as the directions say, choose a style of text, click on your drawing, and you can start typing. So if I pick this font, and if I click red, click inside my drawing, and I can start typing. If I press enter, it enters the text, and now it becomes an immovable object, but I have another line, just like in Word. It creates a blank line, and now I can continue typing. I can also change the font. Press enter, and it places the text in your drawing. Let's say I want to choose this font now, and I want to write in purple, and I'd like it to be even bigger. Now, you can see the difference. And that is how to use text in Tux Paint.
Okay, clear. And next you are undo button and redo button. Undo button and redo button. The thumbs down button on the toolbar is undo button. Okay, the thumbs down button on the toolbar is undo button. You can also press Control plus Z on the keyboard to undo button. Undo shortcut key is Control plus Z. Okay, then redo button, the thumb was the button, thumbs up, thumb up button on the toolbar is undo button. The thumbs up button on the toolbar is undo button. We can also press Control plus R on the keyboard to the redo. Redo shortcut key is Control plus R. Clear? To use up undo and redo button, C.
Welcome everybody. Today we are going to discuss the difference between erase and undo. The first thing you do is you go to your dock and you locate Tux Paint. It has a penguin. Open Tux Paint and your picture will show up. Once your picture is open, you might want to erase part of it. As you can tell, I have this beautiful picture right here. So what I'm going to do is, let's say there's this box, this little bit of pink up here that I don't like. So what you do is you click on the eraser, which is on the left-hand side toolbar. Eraser. You click on that, and you will notice that you have an eraser box. This box is fairly large. You can tell that when I click on it, it erases everything. Now, over on this side, you're going to notice when you have clicked on eraser, that over here it says erasers, and you have different options. The erasers work just like the options for paintbrushes. They are different sizes. And different shapes. So depending on your need, let's say that you just want to erase this little bit right here, and using a big eraser would erase all of this. You would choose the smaller eraser, come down here, and just erase the bits that you want. So please remember, on the left side, you have the eraser button that you need to select. And then over on the right side, where it says erasers, you have different sizes and different shapes that you can choose to use. Where the eraser erases parts of it, undo is different. Let's say that I wanted to put a paint, and I picked a color, and I picked a shape, and I drew it in here. And then after I'm done, I look at it and I say, wow, I just ruined this picture. So if I erased it, it would erase everything. All I want to do is get rid of this black. So what you would do is you would click the undo, and it disappears. Now, if I realize that, I really liked the black, then I would click the redo, and it appears. So remember, over on the left-hand side, if you don't like something that you've just created, and you want to get rid of it, this is the last action that you've done, you click on the undo button. I want to thank you very much for your time. Goodbye.
And next to a shortcut key. Yes, open. Open shortcut key is Control plus O. Open shortcut key is Control plus O. And new shortcut key is Control plus N. New shortcut key is Control plus and then save Control plus S. And Next, undo control plus Z, and redo means control plus R. CTRL means control. Okay, CTR full form is control. Control plus O, open. Control plus N, new. Control plus S, save. Okay, save your file, and undo control plus Z, and redo control plus R. Okay, clear? Thank you.